What's up mga chismoso at mga chismosa at welcome sa isa na namang video na talaga namang manggagalaitin na naman ang bawat isa sa atin. Unang-una, maraming salamat sa tiwala sa ating follower at subscriber na nag-message sa atin para sa content na ito ngayon. Basahin natin ang kanyang message. Hi Gossip Central, naaliw ako sa mga videos mo. Suggestion if you can make a content about the sins of RT to Filipino people. Yung mga content niya about pagkasira ng pagkatao at pamilya like Adora na nag-suicide, yung na-accuse na rapist pero wrong identity, yung inireklamong Ingresera na si Pines at napikon si Attorney Sam about di daw nagbabayad ng rent pero ang totoo, nakadetain pala yung nanay niya at di pinalalabas ng inuupahang bahay. So, to be honest with you guys, ang alam ko lang talaga na aware ako dito sa sinabi ng ating message sender ay about itong kay Adora. The others, hindi ko alam about kay Pines. Kita ko na din sa mga comment section na lumalabas itong pangalan na Pines. Pero wala talaga akong kaalam-alam. Mabuti na lamang at yung unang-unang sinend ng ating sender na link ay tungkol kay Pines. Actually, sabi ko sa kanya, kailangan ko ng tulong mo kung ano ba yung gusto mong mga videos na itopic natin sa ating YouTube channel ay paki-send naman yung link kung kakayanin. So nag-send naman siya at eto yung unang link na sinend niya. Marami pa, pero eto yung unang-unang ilalabas natin sa ating channel ngayon na kinoment na message ng ating subscriber follower. So eto siya, panoorin natin.
Alright, yan. Magandang araw mga kabatas natin at welcome sa isa namang live stream. Very interesting na naman po yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Malalaman nyo po ng buong buo how it feels to be nirereklamo doon sa Raffy Tulfo in action. Kasi guest po natin ngayon si Fine Barnett. Siya po yung babae. Dun sa mga nanonood sa inyo, siya po yung babae na guest. No? Guest yun na minute. Tapos yun nga, yung walang Englishan, parang galon 9 na sabi niya. Well, hindi ako yung mag-introduce sa kanya mga kabatas natin. I think she is capable of introducing herself. Wala bang Englishan dito? Pipilitin natin. Pero mga kabatas natin, okay lang naman mag-English. Subukan na lang natin bawasan, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, ito po, please, welcome natin dito sa batas natin si Fine Barnett. Hi, Fine.
Hello. Hello. Good evening, attorney.
Hi there, I can hear you. Good evening. Yes, please.
Nako, islangera, Inglesera. So, ito pala yung Pine na sinasabi nila. Now I know. Ulit, maraming salamat sa ating message sender sa ating Facebook page. Kung gusto nyo ring mag-send ng mga messages, may gusto kayong ilabas natin na mga videos, itopic natin, pwede po. Nandyan po yung sa taas, Sa taas po yung official Facebook page natin, Gossip Central Official. Mag-follow po kayo dyan. Pwede nyo po akong i-message. At gagawa po tayo ng paraan para kung may request kayo ay may sisingit po natin.
Introduce yourself.
And good evening to all of your... I know you have a multitude of subscribers and a lot of viewers. And I am very thrilled to be here talking to you, somebody of pure brilliance when it comes to legalities, superb and impeccable character. No, it's true. It's true. You know, people don't tell you this.
You don't have to say that.
A lot of people I've seen.
Attorney, humble,
I've seen the vlogs out there, the narrow-minded people, who give negative comments against the things you're doing, and you are doing a fantastic.
Narrow-minded people? Sino kaya yung mga narrow-minded people na kumukontra kay attorney?
Fabulous job, attorney. You keep it. You are the true epitome of what you are the true epitome of what a truly deserving lawyer is. No, you are a monumental, good reflection of what an attorney should be and is. So more power to you, attorney, and to your show and to your subscribers. Hi, everybody. My name is Fine Barnett. I was the lady that was slam banged, ambushed in the middle of my regular quiet day by the Raffy.
Na-ambush? Paano na-ambush si Ma'am Pine? Actually guys, talagang hindi ko pa napanood to, This is the first time that I'm watching this video from Attorney Libayan. Nanonood na ako sa attorney matagal na, kaya lang may mga videos talaga noon na hindi ko napapanood. I was not a 100% avid subscriber na hindi pa nga ako subscriber na attorney noon . Nag-subscribe lang ako nung pinicture niya ako. That's the reality. That's the truth. So, tuloy natin to.
Tulfo in action wanted to Roger show without informing me what was to be discussed, what was to happen. I was put on air without being notified that there was a show in progress.
Oh my God. That's so shocking, guys.
I had no idea what was going on. I only realized a little bit into the conversation. I was given the impression that I would privately not be talking to an attorney named Sam Ferrer. Private
Okay, siguro,
conversation.
to make it more interesting, let's start from the very beginning. How
Okay,
did they contact you?
My phone started to ring. I was in the midst
Mhm.
of doing tasks, and it was from a number that was unknown. I didn't know the
Okay.
number, so I didn't give it much importance. And then a text came in. A text message came in, simply saying that this is from Rafi Tulfo in action po. Can I call you po? Miss Digna is in our office. Office.
Oh, ganon, dire-diretso na.
So I figured, okay, this is
Office.
the respondent that we are suing. My mother and I are suing in court, and she's at an office. Nothing was
Mhm.
mentioned that she's at our studio or she's live on
Okay.
our broadcast. Nothing to that effect. In an office.
So-
So I thought it's an office.
So may panlilin lang na talaga, nasa opisina. Wala sa studio, ha? Ni-live to, no? Ni-live.
And the conversation will be taking place between an attorney who's listening to this woman in the office and wants to get my side of things privately.
Mhm. So pagkatapos niyan, you received the text message. They called
Yeah.
again. Tumawag ulit sila.
Oh yes, they
Tapos-
called. So I took the
tapos-
call because
okay.
I'm hiding from nobody. I
How
hide
did
from
they
nobody.
introduce themselves? Ano
Oh,
sinabi nila?
there was just a woman who quickly, hastily said to me, "Oh, yeah, Miss Fine. Oh, ito kausapin po
Hastily, ha? Hastily.
ninyo si Sam Ferrer, attorney Sam Ferrer." And the next thing I know, that lady who talked to me so quickly like that, it's that quick, disappeared on me, and I was left to continue saying hello, 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 because I didn't know anymore who I was
Tama.
talking to. If you watch the video, I'm actually in a quandary, saying hello, hello, because I thought
Ah,
attorney
tama nga
Sam
naman, yeah.
Ferrer was a man. I thought it was short
Okay.
for Sammy or Samuel. You have to
Tama,
understand,
yeah.
I don't know who Sam Ferrer is. I don't watch the Rafi Tulfo show or any of his shows. So I was unaware that that was even the schedule of when their show airs. Had no idea what it was all about. I am well aware that he's not somebody who a lot of people take credibly. All right. And
So
I don't
paano
mean
in-introduce? Yeah, paano in-introduce ni Sam Ferrer yung kanya, attorney Sam Ferrer yung kanyang sarili? How did you start talking?
I said hello, hello, and then she says before that, pala, she was even inquiring. See, fine, is this a sir or a ma'am? Which is
Si Sam Ferrer na to.
yes, this is attorney Sam Ferrer. She was asking
Oh my God, hindi niya alam yung kausap niya.
her fellow staffmates, I suppose, on the show. This fine person. I mean, is this a ma'am or a sir? She was gonna talk to me, and she doesn't even know if the person she's going to be talking to is male or female. Should that not
Oh my God. Oh my God. I cannot.
have been one of the first things you would find out about the person you're going to be
I-
bashing on air?
I guess
So
that's how they
anyway,
treat their guests, right?
I'm like, how well did this person do any research on anything? I wasn't asked about anything in regards to this. And
So I think parang ganito na naman yung nangyari kay yung scammer, kina Yexel na hindi nila alam na naka-live na pala sila. So ganun pala talaga sila, no? Hindi nila ipinapaalam na ila-live ka. Wow! Di ba may violation yun? Na ganun?
these people want to verify things on air. Instead of talking to people behind the scenes first, getting the actual story, seeing the documentation, seeing the evidence and the proof, so that they don't make fools of themselves on their own show.
Oh my God! They don't make fool on themselves on their own show. Ang sakit nun.
You know, they pick somebody right there they knew nothing about. They didn't even know if I was female or male. And then they get a surprise, right? So
They
here's
have
the
no
funny
idea.
thing. No, they have no
Okay.
idea. So I think they were taken aback or rather surprised. I honestly think that the person who went there, the one we are suing, my mother and I are suing, did not intend for them to be able to talk to me on air. Because the number that they called me on came from her. All right, it came from her.
So surprise
And
yan,
that
na-surprise sila.
They were surprised because this woman knew that that number in particular of mine was destroyed. Because there was a point in time
Yeah,
it wasn't working properly. So she thought, I'll give them this non-working number so that they won't be able to call her and it'll look like she's evading their call. So lo and behold, I answered the call because like I said, I am not hiding from anybody. So I answered the call and okay, let me point out to some of your subscribers who may not know proper etiquette when addressing a question that is given to you.
Sige nga, ma'am. Proper etiquette daw, ha? Sige, tignan natin.
When you are approached by somebody who wants to ask you something, you will take the cue from the language that that person starts off with.
Oh, totoo yun. Kumbaga, kung yung pag-start ng conversation ay mga words na pangkanto, sasagutin mo din ng pangkanto, di ba? Kapag ka-English, English din. Kapag ka-Tagalog, Tagalog. Depende, formal, ipo-formal mo din. Informal, informal mo din, di ba? Ibabagay mo yung sagot mo doon sa unang nag-initiate ng conversation o nagtanong sa'yo. Tama naman.
All right.
Okay.
So
Tama.
she started. It was Attorney Sam who started the ball rolling in talking to me. Correct. So when she asked me, she said,
Yes.
I'm trying. I will try to say it as close to what it is. I don't know if I'm going to say it verbatim, but she said something to the effect like, "Oh, hello, ma'am. Fine. Do you know Digna Ugaban?" She says, and that's English. Correct. She
Yes,
started
of
the ball
course.
rolling by talking to me in English. So I
Mhm.
am now going to presume that that is her language of choice. Correct?
Yes,
It would be
yes.
absolutely rude for me.
Magtatagalog ako, ah.
Sige po, go ahead. No problem. Kaya ko yan.
Sige. Okay. Go ahead, tuloy. Sorry.
Know her. I've never seen her, never watched her, never heard her whatsoever. So I will give her the benefit of the doubt. She asks me the question. She starts the ball rolling with this whole conversation, this whole discussion in English. It would have been rude for me if I answered her now in Filipino. Because I
Oo nga
figure
naman.
it's her choice, right? What language do you want me to answer you in? Whatever language you ask me a question in, I will answer you according to that language because I'm not going to be rude. How would I know? Maybe for all I know, she doesn't speak Filipino. Wouldn't that be rude on my part to answer in Filipino when she asked me in English? So I presume she
Tama.
must be good in English. So I will answer her questions in English. Had she started the conversation in a way that was, "Magandang hapon po, Binibining Fine Barnet. Maaari po ba ako
Ayun.
magtanong sa'yo? Kilala po ba ninyo si Binibining Digna Ugaban?" Okay. Di sana
Pwede pala yun.
Tagalog, hindi ba?
Tama mo yun.
Yun po attorney. Yan po ba yung pareho natin pinag-uusapan? Yan ba yung babaeng idinidemanda ng nanay ko at saka ako? Nasampaan na po namin ng korte dahil siya po ay sinungaling, manggagansyo, mangloloko. You know, it sounds so bad in Filipino, but that's how I would have answered had she initially asked me in Filipino. But she started the ball rolling in English. So it's ironic that in
Okay.
the end, siya pa ang magsasabi ng, well, English,
Naging issue.
English, hindi naman.
Totoo? Parang na-offend yung attorney Sam doon. Totoo ba yun? Hindi ko talaga alam to eh. So, siya yung unang nag-English. Nung sinagot siya ng English, siya yung parang nagreklamo. Walang Englishan dito. Siya yung, hey, wait. Ba't ka nag-English? Hala, ano ba yan? As in, I'm shocked. Ngayon ko lang nakita to talaga.
Oh, di ba? Sumunod lang naman ako sa'yo eh.
Naging issue yung Englishan tuloy. May 9 na tuloy, may 9.
And the issue now revolves around the fact that I happen to speak good English. And that
Yes,
has become
tama.
crime. That has become my sin.
Para bang natalbugan yung attorney kasi mas magaling mag-English pala to.
No constitution attorney do I know that the speaking of a certain language called English is punishable by law, is a crime, or is a sin of any type.
Magaling to.
Attorney, am I?
You are correct when it comes to to the laws of the Philippines. Pero pag laws of Raffy Tulfo in action, hindi natin alam kasi may iba.
Last one. Mahigit 1 taon na to eh. Pero last one.
Ibang batas sila doon eh. So nakakatakot talaga doon.
It's scary. You know, that territory is scary ground to navigate or to step
Diba doon?
in. And
Tama. Kasi before you continue
Yes, sir.
Yeah, before you continue, doon lang ako nakakita ng isang talk show kung saan yung mga guest mo, yun yung mga binabash mo, pinapahiya mo. Usually, if you ask a person to appear in your show, like me for example, ikaw nandito ka, di ba? I'll give you the respect that you deserve, di ba? Pero doon hindi. Babastusin ka talaga pag nag-guest ka doon. Kaya hindi ko alam talaga kung anong klaseng show yun. Tapos kung anong batas yung mga pinapairal nila doon. Kasi sobrang baliktad, di ba?
I'm not even an attorney, and yet I know my basic rights. I know the basic laws because as a human being and as a citizen, you cannot go through this life realistically not knowing how to conform to what is right and what is wrong in accordance with what governs all of us equally. Dapat walang pinipili. There is no favoritism. Everybody must abide by the law.
Tama. So let's continue. Pagkatapos na kayo nag-usap, tapos English, yung bungad niya, sumagot ka ng English, di ba?
Yes.
Anong sinabi sa'yo pagkatapos nun? Were you talking? Did
So
you
there
know
were
anything? Were you informed that you were on air?
Not at all. And like I said,
Oh my God. Talagang ganun talaga sila, no? Hindi nila sinasabi na on air ka. Oh my God. So, totoo yung sinasabi nila, Yexel, na hindi mo sila na-inform, no? Na naka-on air na pala sila.
don't watch their show. I have no idea what time it airs, how it airs, where it is viewed. I don't know any of this stuff because I am not a patron. I do not patronize the Raffy Tulfo in Action program, network, or show. All right. So I was talking now, explaining my side, thinking that it was a mere private conversation between me and this attorney Sam Ferrer.
So all the time.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, sir. All the time you thought dalawa lang kayo.
Yes, sir. I thought I was under the assumption
Grabe, no?
that it was a private conversation, one-on-one with an attorney.
Ano nangyari?
As I was speaking and going on, I realized there was something wrong with the connection. It
Dito na nahuli.
was not a clear and vibrant line. So it gave me the impression that I think she might be recording. It sounded like there was a filter, like a certain buffer, that the volume of my voice was being coursed through. So
Di ba kapag ka nag-record ka ng isang conversation, telepono naman or kahit saan, Hindi ba pasok yun sa anti-wiretapping? I'm not a lawyer, pero parang ganun yung lumalabas dito. Ni-record siya nang wala siyang pahintulot.
I thought maybe she has me hooked up, the cell phone or the network or something hooked up to some form of recording equipment. So I merely thought that at the time that I
O,
was
di ba? O, di ba? Nahalata pala na niya yun noon pa, nang una pa lang. Na baka nire-record siya. So, tama siya.
speaking, I was being wiretapped. I was being recorded,
Okay.
merely recorded, all right? And then it dawned on me because I said then to her, now, wait, are you recording this? That's why the first question I asked is not, are you
Tama, tama, yeah.
broadcasting?
I watched that, yeah.
It's bad enough, right? If you're going to simply record a private conversation between somebody and another person that, one party that's being recorded is not aware of, is not made aware that it is being recorded, correct?
Exactly.
That's merely an audio. That's merely some form of audio recording between two people. But it's even worse if it's broadcasted live. It's being broadcasted.
Oo, tama. Sa buong mundo, nababroadcast yan eh.
So I
Yeah.
asked,
It's not
I
supposed to be recorded, and it's not supposed to be, much more, it's not supposed to be broadcasted because your consent was not obtained, di ba?
yes, exactly. Not only was my consent not obtained, I was also not even informed that I would be put on air. So how could I even consent to
Grabe.
being informed? I figured
Grabe, ah.
this attorney wants to know the truth as opposed to whatever this Digna person is telling her in her office. So I will just share my side of the coin so that
Mm.
whatever she's telling that are lies. Take note, attorney, the very
Yeah.
first thing I said is she's a liar. All right. Among other things that I said, she is a liar. I'm well aware of that. So my hope was to bring truth and enlightenment to this attorney in her office, as opposed to the things that were being concocted by Ms. Digna to her. But I did not know
Uh-huh.
that I was going to be slam banged on live network television and radio and YouTube and Facebook. Had no idea. Here's another thing, attorney. As the
Mhm.
whole show was going on, I did not have access to a television. I didn't have access
Okay.
to being able to watch it on a live feed because I wouldn't even know how to access that channel. Because like I said,
Exactly.
I'm not a patronizer of shows. I don't know, right? So had I known and had I seen my picture that had been stolen by that show from my Instagram account and
Ito pa. Ito pa. Yung mga pinopost nila ng mga pangalan, mga pictures na walang pahintulot doon sa may-ari, doon sa may mukha, doon sa may pangalan. May violation din yan, di ba?
plastered right there without also my consent, without them even informing
Oh
me.
my
Oh, by the
goodness.
way, we've already branded your face for the public to be able to identify you. Even if you are not a criminal, you don't have any charges or crimes against you. Where's were you? I didn't know. So I was already just a little irked, all right, that they were under assumption, right, that they are merely recording me. I thought it was just a vocal recording. So I asked, I said,
Diba? Tignan nyo si attorney, halos hindi, kaganyan-ganyan lang. Oh.
Oh my
if you look,
goodness.
I said, you're not informing me. Are you recording this? And then the retort of the attorney was to inquire with her staff. Staff, did you inform Miss Fine? So of course now it triggers something in my head. Wait. What do you mean inform Miss Fine? So I should have been informed pala about something, correct? So I'm thinking, oh
Yeah.
wait, this is already beyond. I think this is already beyond mere
So, huli sila. Huli talaga sila.
vocal recording. I think they might actually be broadcasting this or possibly recording it for a later broadcast. Because I have no idea what their schedule is, right? So I asked, wait, inform me about what? You can hear from my tone of voice that I was caught off guard, I wasn't informed, and yet they kept insisting something that would save them from any responsibility by trying to force, no, we told you, the staff said they told you. Here I am, I'm the one actually telling you, you didn't tell me, and it's so obvious you
Exactly.
didn't. And you're forcing
Yeah,
your
actually-
own... Yes, sir. Go
Yeah, I
ahead.
can interrupt you kasi it's very obvious naman doon sa discourse niyo. Doon sa pag-uusap niyo na nobody informed you. That's why you were asking. Tapos ngayon eventually sinabi ni Attorney Sam na in-inform ka daw ng staff niya. Pero based doon sa sinabi mo, it's very sad, no? Nakakalungkot lang na they attack people that way. Kasi
Yes.
pag titignan, nobody knows. Like me, for example, I haven't been to Raffy Tulfo in action. Hindi ako nireklamo dyan. Lahat ng mga tao dito, most of them, siguro hindi nireklamo dyan. They don't know what happens behind the scenes bago ka isalang doon sa Raffy Tulfo in action. So thank you for clarifying na ganyan pala yung ginagawa sa iyo. Isasala ka na lang basta-basta, tapos bahala ka na sa buhay mo. Sila, magkakakitaan ka na lang. Ganun ba?
Yeah, exactly. They instigated me as a clown in their circus for their own benefit, for their entire own benefit. No benefit to me at all. I got nothing good out of this whole
Exactly, yeah.
experience, right? So what happens now is she's pressing, this attorney is pressing and pushing what she wants to make it appear to her audience live. No, Miss Fine was informed. Obviously, I wasn't informed. So what they do, they take me off air. I disappear off
Yeah.
air. But take note, attorney,
What the?
I'm not aware that they took me off air at this point. I don't know,
Yes.
right?
Let's repeat that to the people who are watching because we featured the video here and Attorney Sam asked you to be muted and you didn't know. Hindi mo alam na mute ka pala.
Had no idea, attorney. Attorney, I was
Tapos
on
ano
the,
nangyari?
from start to finish of that show.
May ganun din? Mute ka pag ayaw kang pasalitain? Wow. Tapos sinasabi nilang fair daw sila sa programa na yan. Oh my God.
I was on the
Mm.
telephone line. I have the call log to prove it. They made it appear
Mm.
like I put down the phone and that I ended the conversation after I was muted.
Oh,
Truth be told, while that
Oh.
entire episode was running, I was talking nonstop. And there was someone on the line
okay.
texting me, like, "Sige, continue talking." You know, like giving me the impression that I was actually being heard on air in defense of myself.
So ginawa siyang tanga. Oh my God.
So at the end of the show, I didn't feel so bad because I thought, well, at least I was able to say what I wanted and they gave me the option to be heard on air. It was only later on when I was able to find out how to acquire the replay of this episode that I realized, oh my goodness, throughout the entire show, the entire latter part of the show, as I was continuing to talk and talk and talk, and I was being led
Oh
on.
my goodness.
There's someone saying, yeah, sige, sige, go, oh, continue, just say it, you know. So here I am explaining.
Oh my God. Anong ginagawa ninyo, Raffy Tulfo in action? Ginagawa niyong tanga talaga itong mga tao eh. Para pagkakitaan nyo lang eh.
Explaining, wasting my time, wasting my voice, wasting my reasoning skills, trying to explain my side, when all this time I wasn't even being heard anymore on the show.
Oh my God.
Grabe yan. That's not only unfair. That's bastos.
That's kabastusan.
Yes,
Kasi
it is.
all the while, akala mo, you were explaining your side. Yun pala, hindi ka na pinapakinggan.
Yes, I
Doon
had
sa, hindi ka na on air.
Yeah,
Ang
I had
ginagawa lang nila, pinagsasalita ka para magkaroon ka ng impression na you were defending yourself when in fact, minute ka na.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so shocked.
Sure, exactly.
Oh
And
my
then,
goodness.
during the
That's
first time that
unfair.
we air, sir, if you take a look, no, if you really study the video, the original video, not the new version that they released, which is edited to the point that they really made it out to look like I am the criminal, I am the bad entity.
See? Yung tao mismo na nakaranas ang nagkukwento kung anong dinaanan niya. Grabe. Binaboy talaga to eh. Tapos 'di ba nga kapag tapos na yung live, nag-e-edit sila, kinakat-cut na nila. Pinalabas na siya yung masama. Oh my God.
In this whole
Yeah, that's what they do.
fiasco that we started. If you take a look at the original, listen to it.
Deleted ba yung original nito na video? Baka naman may makapag-send sa akin no para makita ko din. Kasi hindi ko rin talaga alam eh kung ano talaga ang istorya nito. Ngayon lang talaga, meron palang ganito.
Carefully. Whoever is the one responsible for zoning in and out my volume, you'll see I was actually talking straight throughout the entire video because there are lapses. There are places in there where the volume all of a sudden accidentally gets put up.
So, i-stop na lang natin dyan kung gusto nyo panoorin. Ito yung title. Si Pine naman ang pakinggan na kaaway ni Attorney Sam.